Okay, I'm back. I'm going to go through the assignment in Module 4 that covers the scavenger hunt PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and move on down to Module 4 here on the left-hand side. I'm going to scroll down until I get to the section here that talks about assignments in the scavenger hunt. So as we go through reading the directions, in this assignment you're going to be locating different resources that United Tribes has for you as online learners and for campus-based students here at the college. You're going to go to coursework and click on Unit 2 Scavenger Hunt. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to coursework. I'm going to go right here, Scavenger Hunt, and then I'm going to click on this PowerPoint. It's now uploading over here, and it's ready for me to open. And now you're going to see a page that pops up like this, and these are all the PowerPoint pages. We also consider them slides to a PowerPoint. If this comes up, just click Enable Editing, and now you should be able to actually work within this PowerPoint. The other thing that I'm going to have you do is actually go down to the lower right hand side, and I'm going to have you click on this icon right here. Okay, now you should be able to see these pages within reason, and then we're going to go through some really quick steps. One of the first things that I want you to do as soon as you open this up is click on File, click on Save As, and I am now going to rename my file by just putting my name first, and I'm going to use an underscore here and then hit Save. Okay, I usually put most of my items on my desktop while I'm working on them so I can find them right away, and then when I'm done working on them and I've submitted the assignment, then I house it in a folder or on a thumb drive. The next thing that I'm going to ask that you do is go ahead and put your name on this page. So right here, Unit 4, and then I'm going to hit Enter, and then go up on top again, and if you have this, just click on this little disc and it should automatically save. Okay, we're going to go to the next page. Okay, what it's asking you here is to go ahead and read through the PowerPoint and answer each question that's on the slide. You're going to use the student handbook, which is an uploadable file within Module 4 in the handout section. And then when you're finished, of course, save the file, and then you're going to upload it to the coursework section of our class titled Scavenger Hunt. Okay, let's go to the third slide. Okay, again, you're going to be referring to your student handbook. It's a PDF file that you've downloaded, and you're going to answer this question: what does the image below stand for? Okay, you're going to find it. What I've done here, or what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to hit my delete button, and I've already found out the answer. I've put that in there, and what I like to do is hit save a lot, because if you've ever been in a situation where your computer freezes, or for some unbeknownst reason your computer just doesn't want to work with you, the electricity goes out, and your screen turns black, you've got a most currently saved file on hand. So again, I'm just going to go up on top, hit that disk, and now that's been saved. Now what I'm going to recommend is that you go through, and before you even open up that student handbook PDF file, is read the questions that are located in this PowerPoint. And we're going to change that word there. And so just go through, read every single one of these slides. The other thing that you can do, and again, this is an option, especially for those of you who have a printer, is to actually go to File, hit Print, and then where it says Print All Slides, you can print obviously all of the slides in this PowerPoint, but I don't want them in full pages myself when I print. I generally choose the 3 slides, and then while you're working and looking at the PDF and you have this printed out, you could actually write the answers on the side, and then when it comes time to complete this whole entire assignment, you can go back in and just take the notes that you put on your printed PowerPoint handout and just type them right into the PowerPoint itself. Okay, so I'm going to actually go back here. I'm just going to hit save and then be done with that here. Now, where does this go? When you're all done with this and you've typed in all of your responses, where does this go? Well, you're going to go back into the coursework section here, coursework, the scavenger hunt, and then you're going to click upload a file, choose the file in which you're going to upload. Just put something here from my desktop. I'll just choose that one for now. Hit open and then add file. And again, make sure that you click on this. If you are finished, completely finished, and you are ready for me to grade it, then you just turn in. And now, once you see that here, you will get this note, this general assignment has been turned in, so you can no longer add or edit files. And that way, you know, if you get that message, I've received it and I can see that file for grading.